How to go live from your phone. Mobile live streaming guide. Today we're talking about mobile live streaming, how you can go live with just your phone and connect with your audience instantly. Whether you're streaming events, hosting webinars, or doing live sales, it's easier than ever. Stick around as I break down everything you need to know. Let's get started. What is mobile live streaming? It's simply broadcasting live video from your smartphone or tablet to the internet. Think of it as having your own TV channel without the expensive equipment. Mobile live streaming is real-time, interactive, and super convenient. Whether you're casually streaming or doing professional broadcasts, it's a great way to share content with the world. How does mobile live streaming work? Host. Now let's talk about how mobile live streaming works. It's a simple process. Step 1. Capture video. Your phone's camera records the video, and the microphone captures the audio. Modern smartphones have amazing cameras, so you don't need extra gear. Step 2. Connect to streaming software. You can stream directly from apps like YouTube Live, or use RTMP-compatible apps to send your video to live streaming software. Apps like DroidCam, Epicam, or USB connections help you use your phone as a webcam. Step 3. Process and customize in OBS Studio. OBS Studio lets you add overlays, graphics, and scene transitions for a more professional look. Adjust audio settings, add background music, and test your layout before going live. Step 4. Connect to a live streaming platform. Choose your platform, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live, and enter the stream key to start streaming. Step 5. Perform a test stream run, a private test stream to ensure video, audio, and internet quality are good. Step 6. Go live and monitor your stream. Once you're ready, hit the Go Live button and start engaging with your audience. Step 7. End the stream properly. Once finished, click Stop Streaming to end your session smoothly. Essential tools for better mobile live streaming. Want to improve your live streams? Here are some must-have tools. Tripod. Keeps your video stable, especially for long sessions. Lighting. A ring light enhances video quality and makes you look more professional. External microphone. A lavalier or shotgun mic improves audio clarity. Strong internet connection ensures a smooth, buffer-free stream. And that's it. Mobile live streaming is easy, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or just want to share moments with the world, you can start streaming today with just your phone. So go live, engage with your audience, and share your story. Check out ZenStream by VitaCypher, a new HD live streaming solution that lets you pause, rewind, and replay live streams while engaging with your audience through chat. Try it out today.